Well, hello again everybody, welcome back. So today we have an American lock 100th anniversary edition, and it is a series 5100. So all works as it should. It's actually got very hard spring tension on this one compared with some of the other American locks. Probably because it hasn't been used much. So there's the bitting on the key, quite up and downy. Fairly interesting. So all locked up. Get that in here. And let's give it a try. So we've got the Mad Bob's top of the keyway 1.2. Just put that fraction, make sure we're in focus. Yeah, and I'm using the SS Dev deep hook and light tension. So there we have one, click on one, two clicks on one, nice click on two, click on three, four, doesn't really seem to want to do anything at the moment, five, very half-hearted, very dull click on five. Back to the front again. Number one, nothing, two, three, click on four, nothing on five. So right, we've got another slight movement on one. I'll click on two, click on three, right, four's binding a bit better now. That was a nice click on four, nothing on five. Nothing on one, tiny click on two, nothing on three, nothing on four, that was me slipping off the pin, nothing on five. Keep on checking, make sure we haven't actually opened it because of the amount of spring tension on here. Right, I've got a little bit of movement on one, but I think we might even have overset that now. See how we go. Click on two, three, nothing on four, nothing on five. Right, one, right, click on two. That was a nice click on three, that was more positive. A couple of nice positive clicks on four. Nothing on five. Right, nothing on one, two, three, four, five. One, and we've got a very deep false set all of a sudden. definitely not open. Right, counter rotation on 2, and there we go, open. So let's get a pinning tray in here. Let's see what this has actually got inside it. So, screwdriver. I must admit I have picked this once before, a little while before starting this, and last time never even got a full set out of it. So I actually thought that had actually opened when we got that this time. So, clip. So I didn't actually think it had any spools in it, but it seems like it probably has. Right, there's the clip off. Where are we? Right, let's get the key and we need that turned the other way. Like so. And there we go. And nothing unusual there. We have 6 and it's pinned for 5. So, right, we have a serrated in 1, serrated in 2, serrated in 3, a standard in 4, and a serrated in 5. So let's see what we've got up in here. Number 1, we have a spool. Number 2, a spool. Number 3, a spool. Number 4, serrated. And number 5, a spool. That is extremely surprising because the way it picked, it did actually feel like it was full of serrated. So a quick look at these pins. Dog's at it again. So all fairly standard for an American. Just quite surprising. In number 4, a good size key pin, but actually without any serrations, which is unusual. So anyway, that was the American 100th anniversary 5100 padlock. Thanks for watching. See you again soon. Bye.